Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Instagram, first open the Instagram app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons guys. Tap on the three lined icon, and again on this interface you'll be required to scroll down to the bottom of the screen or the bottom of the list, where you can find the accessibility option under the category of your app and media. Tap on accessibility and you can find the dark mode option available for us under the category of accessibility. Tap on dark mode and tap on the on button over here, and then the dark mode will be turned on Instagram. And guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.